Alright, now we're going to take a look at how to create a shell script. We will start slowly and build on it as we go. So in this little video, we're going to just look at the shebang. We will look at making the file executable and running it. Then we will look at the echo command and then look at how to create comments. Just those four things. So let's begin with the shebang. Now, when you are creating a shell script, you want the first thing you want to specify is what language the script will run in. I mean, or better, what shell will run the script, right? So I will say, let's create it together. I'll say nano script 1 .sh, and I'll write #!bin/bash. Now, what this does is that it says that the bash shell is what the script is written in, and so run it in the bash shell, right? So I will save this, Ctrl X, Y, and come out, and I will ls-l that very one and see that it is not yet executable. All right, so what we've just done is create the shebang. What does the shebang do? It means that it makes sure that the script is run in the shell specified, in this case, the bash shell. Now, the next thing to do is to make it executable. As you can see from what is written out there, the user cannot execute it. So that's easy. From our earlier courses, you remember we used the chmod u plus x to make it executable. So once do that, and we ls on it again, and you can see the x is there. This script is executable. Okay. All right, so we could theoretically run it right now. We already have a script, right? If I say ./script1.sh, it runs, right? The fact that there's nothing in it means we don't see anything, but it runs. So now let's go back and put something in it. Nano script 1. All right, so I go below this and I say echo. This is, let's do the traditional thing. Hello world. All right, so I save this. I come out of here and I can run it now. And I see text printed to the screen, hello world. What is the echo for? The echo is just like print in Python, or println in Java. So what echo does is that it just prints to the screen, just shows you on the screen what whatever text, whatever string you put in the double quotes there, right? All right, so we've looked at creating the script, we've looked at executing it, we've looked at the echo command, and right now, before we round up for this plan, we're going to create a comment. Okay? Now, the comments in the bash script are done using the hash. Right? So what I put in the line after the hash, like this is a test script. This will not be executed. It's not part of what will be executed. It is only used to describe the contents of the file for other developers that might look at your script later, or even for yourself after you have forgotten what you created the script for. Right? All right. So I'm going to Ctrl X, run it. Now run it again. And there we have hello world printed to the screen, nothing from the comment printed to the screen, and we have our first shell script created. We will take a few questions, then we'll take the next step in this exciting journey.